Hello friends, Millie from the future here, sat nice and cosy in bed editing this vlog. It's now December and frosty outside and I've procrastinated far too long with this footage. It's been about 4 months since I was on Arcadia and took these little clips, but yeah, looking back in the sunshine has been a nice break from the cold. So yeah, not really an intro for this vlog, so I'm just here to say it is a little different. Not sitting in the car with me, it is just walking around the ship. Unfortunately, some of my video clips aren't the best. I was trying to be a little bit sneaky. I felt a little bit uncomfortable actually taking the videos on board, but it does give you a little look around a couple of crew areas as well as the majority of the ship. So enjoy the vlog. See you on the flip side. Hello friends, something a little different this time then as you take a little look inside my cabin on board P&O's Arcadia here. I'm just going to let you know that the rest of this vlog is going to be some lovely music, nice and mellow, with a little tour around the ship herself. So I was lucky enough to spend some time on there earlier this year, but of course I am going to sprinkle in just a few photos from years gone by when I spent many times on this ship as my role as entertainment officer with P&O Cruises. So please enjoy a tour of the ship along with a little bit of my past in photo form. So once again, this is my cabin. Just a little sneaky look inside the bathroom there. It's not the best footage, but there we go. Nice bathroom. A little bit old school, very comfortable, and let's get on to it. See you on the flip side.
There's butterflies in my palms and in my eyes. Now echoes from the other night, gossip about our delight. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me Is there a place with sun all year round and pina coladas with pretty faces and sand on the ground? I want to stop this ongoing train before I lose my mind and go insane. I don't want to sleep every night. I wanna light a spark in the dark I don't wanna say I'm okay, living the same every day. Come run beside me, let's take off. Let's leave this place for another place. Oh, maybe all we need is difference. It's hard at this speed to see anything. Just tell me what you need and I'll listen. I'll listen. When we get there, we'll throw a big feast with pina coladas, hand in hand, not out of reach. Higher, yeah, we'll be lighter, happier and much brighter. Take the step, have no regret. I don't wanna sleep every night, I wanna light a spark in the dark. I don't wanna say I'm okay, living the same every day. Come run beside me, let's take off. Let's leave this place for another place. Come whatever may, we got nothing but time. Lean back, let me rub you back.
Hey, he's got me looking quite beige, got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion, no. Raise me, I need something fast, I need something to last and give satisfaction, no. Help me, grab his right arm. Help me, I'll take the left. Oh, help me, interrogate him. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is places makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something
stars have drawn it. That's why I'm in the wind. That's where you'll find me. I'm in the wind, long, long gone. Let me tell you, a new day begins where nothing binds me. I'm letting go of all that's ever been. I'm in the wind. Oh yeah. It might seem bold, headless and careless, heading out in the cold with no direction.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine. Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa lemon balm. Nights as warm as your breath on my chest, so calm.